Spend 30 seconds looking in a mirror. I'll tell you if you'll be rich or poor. This psychological test has predicted financial success with 87% accuracy. Here's how it works. Look directly into your eyes in the mirror for 30 seconds. Don't look away. Notice what happens. Poor people immediately look away or down, focus on flaws and imperfections, feel uncomfortable with direct eye contact, and break the stare within 10 seconds. Rich people hold steady, confident eye contact, see potential and possibility, feel comfortable being seen, and maintain the stare effortlessly. Your mirror reaction reveals your self-worth programming. Wealthy people have trained themselves to see value, while struggling people have internalized unworthiness. This isn't about looks, it's about energy. When you can't look yourself in the eye, you're unconsciously telling the world you're not worth their attention or money. Here's the daily exercise millionaires use. Every morning, look yourself directly in the eyes for 2 minutes. Say, "I am worthy of wealth and success." Feel uncomfortable? Good. That's your poverty programming breaking down. Rich people practice this daily because they know if you can't sell yourself to yourself, you can't sell yourself to anyone. Try it right now. Comment worthy if you held eye contact for the full 30 seconds. Your bank account will thank you later.